hospital coming week. So I don't know if there's any herbal solutions to that.
There is a herbal solution to it, okay?
Yeah.
Lambago or Lumba. I don't want to mention the name, you laugh at me. That is it.
Yeah.
Listen to me. Last time I was teaching about the neem leaf.
Okay.
I don't know whether you've done some, I don't know. I'm teaching about the neem leaf. The neem leaf together with ginger, early in the morning, you boil it, you make it like tea, you take before you go. I teach about that. I don't know whether you've tried it. Have you tried it?
You're sharing it for the first time. You mean, is it neem leaf or?
Dogoyaro
Okay,
leaf.
dogoyaro. Okay, no, I know the leaf.
Dogoyaro leaf.
Okay.
Very, very good for painkiller. If you are talking about painkiller, it's very, very good for it. So that's why always I'll be hitting on it. Okay. And also, if you get the neem leaf, okay, then you get plantain, the dry leaf. You add it to it with ginger, boil it and be taking it. It will let your spinal cord, your bones, okay. You see, the bones, they have a lubricant, that is oil, that is in it.
Yeah.
So whenever you have that oil that is in it, anytime you are bending and you are going up, okay, the bones, they are shifting. So the oil that is in it is what is greasing the bones so that you will not feel pain.
Okay.
But when there is a leakage and the oil is leaking or is coming, is like drying up, then now whenever you bend or you do anything, you see that the bones will be working on the bones, so you'll be feeling pains all over.
Yeah.
So you need replacement,
Okay.
so that where you are having that pain will stop, so that you can be free. Okay. So the therapy also you are doing is very, very good. But to me, do natural therapy. That is the remedy. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Your advice was plantain leaf, right?
Plantain dry leaf. Okay.
Okay.
And dogoyaro with together with ginger and just be taking it and let's see what God will do. Okay.
All right. Thank you
And
so
better
much.
still, that's my number on the screen. You can just call me and let's talk. Okay, that's it.
All right. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you, brother. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you, my dear brother. God bless you. Hello, Mr. Matthew. How are you? Hello, Mr. Matthew. Morning, Mr. Matthew.
Yeah. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Matthew. Please talk to us, okay?
Yeah.
We can hear you
I'm
loud and
hearing
clear.
you. Okay. Like
Ask your question.
I'm having this I don't know what call this sickness. Be swelling up and having pulse, swelling up and having pulse. That is I don't know the remedy.
Your leg is swelling up.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, my dear. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Please, I'm on the live. Let me finish, then I'll call you, okay?
Kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣì tì ní.
Thank you. Okay, your leg is swollen. Please, did you go to hospital to check whatever is wrong with your system?
I've went to hospital. I don't understand. They have tried their best. It's still keeping up, swelling like that. And he wanted to generate to the second leg self.
So did they check
It's just like
your diabetes level?
It's just like elephantiasis, and this is serious.
Oh, and last time I teach about it. Oh, and the last time I teach about it, my brother, call me. Let me talk to you off air, okay? Please. Mr. Matthew.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Matthew.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I said, call me, let's talk off air.
Okay.
You can hear me. I'm telling you, call me off air. Let us talk. Because last time I teach about those things, and there are questions I need to ask you before I know how best I can step in to help you. Okay.
Okay.
So please
Okay.
call me
Okay.
off air. Let's talk.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you.